Okay, well, let's work through this together just to double check and see. We'll see where we can catch our mistakes. So follow along with what you did. Go ahead, put your notebook on your desk. Follow along with us now. So we have 8 plus 7 plus 6. How are you going to go about doing that? Okay, so these two right here you said was 15, right? So then you did 15 plus 6, which gave you, okay. So we put our 1 here, right? And then we carried our, okay. So now let's add the second column. What are you going to get? How are you going to do the second column? Which is also known as the what place value? Tens, thank you. What are you going to do? Okay, which gives you? Plus. So we put our, and we carry our, do you see where you made your mistake now? Okay, see? Going back and checking is always a good thing to make sure that you have the correct answer, alright? Alright, so these are basically the two new types of problems, concepts that you'll come across in your assignments. Is there any questions over how we need to do these?
No.
As of right now, we have no questions. Okay, yes, Savannah. No, you don't have to do that. This is just a way to help. Some people do this because it helps them, as opposed to just adding the numbers like this. They break it down and make it easier for them. But you don't have to if you don't want to, okay? Any other questions? All right, I want to see thumbs up if you're ready to move on, you understand this, ready to go. Some sideways if, I'm not so sure. Thumbs down if you're completely lost. And if you don't want anyone to know, keep it by your chest. Be honest. It's just so that I can help you. Okay. Most part we look pretty much ready, set to go. I want to review though real quick. And I'm going to use stick. Yes, this one. Who's number 8? Who's number 8? Cody. Now, if we have 3 numbers, if we have large numbers like this, what do we have to watch when we put them in to add?
You have to.
Or what do you need to line up? Where did we line up when we were doing this one? What did we think? I think I asked Brianna. What did we have to make sure? Remember how I said, can I just write 88 here, 227 here, put the 6 there, and add that? No. So what do we need to make sure? What do we need to make sure we do when we write our numbers down? We need to watch the what?
Place value.
Shh, bring it up. What did she say? The place value. Everyone understand that? We need to watch the
Place value.
Thank you. We got to make sure we watch the place value. You put everything that belongs in the ones column, tens the tens, and then the hundreds and the hundreds, okay? And we all remember that this added to 21, so we put our 1 here, we carried the, okay. Also, another thing I want you guys to watch is your signs. I noticed on some of your other assignments, there were like 4 addition problems in a row, and then the 5th one was a subtraction. Everyone added. I think almost everyone got it wrong. Just because you added instead of subtracting. You gotta make sure you pay attention to the signs, okay? So, we set to go?
Yes.
Yes? Any questions before we start our assignment? No. Head up, please, Richard. Oh, right, sorry, Wes.
You know we can get the same answer by doing it like a reflection.
So you mean if I put the 6 here, the 8, whoops, that's supposed to be an 8. And like that? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will get the same answer, but normally it makes it easier to neater if you put the larger number on top and go down to the smaller number, okay?
It does make it neater.
All right. You good to go?
Yes.
Who's my helper today? Michael. You know where the sheets are back there? The math assignment ones? we're gonna go ahead and grab some and I'll help you start testing them out. So your assignment's gonna be the written practice, 1 through 30, from page 101 to 103. So we'll go ahead and get started on that.